One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Let's talk about weekend quests and weekday quests, and they're changing yet again. So a couple of months ago, we talked about how they were changing the days on the quests and when they were going to be in effect, and they changed it. Now they're changing it back. What's going on here, Sergio? What's up?
Guinea pig. Can you spell guinea pig?
Guinea pig.
Yeah, that's what drivers are, right? So a few months ago, Uber goes, "Oh, we're gonna do Thursday now, Monday through Thursday instead of Monday through Friday." And the weekend is gonna be Thursday through whatever, through Sunday as opposed to Monday. Now, they had a change of heart again. I just got this. Actually, this quest is pretty juicy. I mean, you know what I'm saying? That's like $1.50 right there. Yeah. I mean,
for me that would have been $30 where the 90 is. So I don't know
where
Charles is, but
yeah, I haven't had one for months now. Months. I mean, seriously, months. And I also haven't had a reservation for months. And even with all my connections, I'm like, what's happening here? It's like happening. I was just like yesterday's stepchild. So yeah, Uber is we're like these hamsters.
Here's the thing: the algo caught on. They're like, "Oh, you're only driving when we're showing you these quests, but we don't need you right now." So,
no, but I mean, changing the days. I'm sure there is a logic behind it. So I don't know what happened. I'm not going to guess. I first of all, it hurt a lot of people, right? That only drove the weekends. Pretty sure, because to do the quest, like the old way, which is we're back to that now. Friday 4 a.m. to Monday 4 a.m. is a lot easier than to do a quest, right? That starts Thursday 4 a.m. runs to Sunday 4 a.m. I mean, you're all of it. So maybe, I don't know, maybe people will stop driving on the weekends or whatever, because there are a lot of weekend warriors. Now that the school is out, okay, you have all the teachers, all the students, colleges are out, all of them are out there driving. So you guys want to talk about slowing things down? Yeah, wait a minute. But anyway, so yeah, Uber is back to the old Monday through Friday and Friday through Monday. So,
which personally, if you're a weekend driver, if you're a part-timer, this is definitely a lot better for you, because it's just going to be a lot easier to attain, because you're going to have that extra day instead of it being split. So that's always a good thing. Now, here's a side note. I haven't driven for Lyft in a couple of weeks. And again, same thing, schools are out. It's the summer slowdown. So, you got to go when it's going to be busy. And so I get a notification from Lyft today saying, "Hey, there's high demand in your area, and you could you could get out there and earn." And then it says in parentheses, "a lot." It doesn't even get the dollar sign anymore.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah, a lot. We're down
what
to
what does a lot mean? That's significant, huh?
Significant, a lot, all these good words. Cheeky chops. LA is not one of the better markets. LA is probably one of the worst markets in the country at the moment. San Francisco, maybe not so much. San Diego, probably a little bit better, but LA is horrible. Trust me, cheeky chops. Anyway, so yeah, Uber, guinea pigs. For a few months, we give that a shot. We'll collect some data. Did it work? No, it didn't work. Let's just switch it back to that. Let's get him back on the program. Oh, yeah, okay, whatever. I mean, it's not a big deal. Look, man, if you're not getting any quests, who gives a shit when the quest is?
Or if you're getting the quest, but you can't complete it because you're part-timer and it's split, that's going to piss people off, where then maybe they don't want to drive. They don't want to go online.
Yeah, probably. So if I get a quest, I'm gonna do it. Well, not the 26, not the what was it? Bubblegum, not the bubblegum quest, but an actual, that was actually doable quest. You could knock out 60 shorties, get $1.50 extra, whatever. But hey, it is what it is. Yeah, You know, look at Steven. He says, I'm guessing I'm getting Quest every week because I'm new. Nah, yeah, there's Steven. There's definitely a honeymoon period. That's called the sucking sound that you're hearing, the vacuum, the attraction of Uber or Lyft or DoorDash. They'll show you the money for a few months. And then once you're into the system, they'll start weaning you off slowly. But again, it may be your market, right? Kansas City, Missouri may be a decent market and they need drivers. That's why there's Quest out there. So I don't know. We'll see.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.